administrators, proud parents, and dear completers, a joyful afternoon to you all. Welcome to the grand finale, the glorious culmination of our academic saga. Today, we gather not just to celebrate our completion rites, but to reflect on a school year that's been as fun as a roller coaster ride and at times as exhausting as a marathon. I am Megan B. De La Peña from Grade 10 St. Catherine, and it is my great pleasure to welcome you all to this special occasion, our completion rites. This day is not just a testament to our academic achievements, but also to the personal growth and resilience that we have demonstrated along the way. First and foremost, let us extend our heartfelt gratitude to our teachers and administrators who have guided us and inspired us to reach for our dreams. Most significantly, our batch advisors, Sir Ramil Joves, Sir Marjorie Ken Garcia, and my advisor, Sir Ferdinand Eracho Jr. Your support and encouragement have always been valuable, and we are deeply thankful for the role that you have played in our academic journey. To our parents and families who have stood by us through thick and thin, most especially to my mommy and my tatay, thank you for your guidance. Your guidance has been a source of strength and motivation, and I could not have reached this milestone without you both. And of course, to our friends whose kindness, care, and humor have made the tough times bearable and the good times unforgettable. Most especially, my bestest friend, Chelsea. Chelsea, your love and friendship made this school year more fun, memorable, and even tolerable during the most challenging moments. To my fellow completers, today is proof of our hard work and resilience. Each of us has a unique story, filled with victory, hardship, growth, and even learning. We have faced challenges that have tested our limits, but we always emerge stronger and wiser. As we step forward into the next chapter of our lives, let us carry with us the lessons that we have learned and the friendships that we have forged. Remember that this is not the end, but rather the beginning of a new journey once again. The world beyond these school walls is full of opportunities and challenges that are waiting to be embraced. Let us face the future with the same determination and courage that brought us here. And let us strive to make a positive impact in our communities and beyond. To conclude, my grade 10 batchmates, I am proud of you all, and I would like to express my deepest congratulations to each of you. You have worked so hard to reach this point, and you deserve to be proud of all that you have achieved. May our futures be bright and be filled with success, happiness, and fulfillment. Lastly, before I end, I want to dedicate this victory to our dearest friend, Joaquin Mapalad. Hi, Wax. This is all for you. Once again, welcome to our completion rites and long live to the class of Grade 10 school year 2023 to 2024. May the good Lord bless